Well, hello there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a system test for you guys. I believe it's system test 19. Well, let's get Okay, hey guys, so today I'll be doing a quick system test for you. I have a few new devices, but first of all, I got a bunch of Vistas at a security store near me, and they gave me a smoke saber can for free because of how much stuff I was buying, so that's one update. This is an Edwards mini horn. It looks kind of like the ones you would see in hotel rooms as doorbells, but it's a fire alarm. Down here we have an ADT Siga. This is the same thing as the 278 Sigas, but it's just with an ADT logo. Thought that was pretty cool. Here's an EST 270 SPO. You can see it says EST. Of course, we also have the nice and classic older EST Genesis that has the black logo. If it was a horn strobe, it would have the older sound, but since it's just a strobe, it just doesn't make noise. These two do not sync. I noticed that because this device allegedly was enhanced, but it's not because it doesn't synchronize. Of course, I have the 2151 and this older Edwards heat detector. So, let's get started. Alright, to start off the system test, we're going to grab our smoke saber, which is new, by the way. And I love doing that. And I'm going to spray a little bit at the detector. That should be plenty. We'll just wait a little. Wait for it. It does take a little bit. There it goes. You can see they synchronize at first, and then they eventually go out of sync. Okay, so these mini horns are pretty loud. I mean, it's not as loud as like the Spectre Alert Advance, but they're decently loud, a little louder than a household smoke alarm. But yeah, next I guess we can do this EST 270 SPO. There you go. So we do have audible silence. You can see they are nowhere near sync. So that's kind of interesting because, again, it does have the red enhanced integrity thing on the bottom. So now we can do the ADT 278. That thing is very loud. It does make quite a loud shriek. So yeah. Okay, so I did have to set the camera at an awkward angle to film this part because I can't test the heat detector with this lighter with one hand. So I would use a hair dryer, but I don't have one at the moment. So I have to carefully use a lighter because I don't want to permanently pop the sensor. So I'm just gonna hold it under there, make sure it doesn't pop. I mean, these things, they do. Okay, there it goes. Okay, well, now that would be pretty much all. I did actually blow out the smoke head, and like take it off like that and then put it back on. You always want to do that with your smoke heads after you activate it so they won't false. Now I'm going to reset these poles. Here I have this perfect screwdriver that literally fits perfectly in there, so I just carefully turn it. These locks strip very easily, so you got to be careful. There. This one is easier. Just push down the switch. Alright, now I can do a system reset. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later today because System Test 20 is coming out. Thank you for watching.